Hey there, welcome to today's video. So, let's tackle an interesting problem together. The issue at hand is that we want to find a more elegant and efficient way to calculate the product within a group using poolers. Now, let's dive into the solution. To make this process smoother, we can use the Expr.product function. By simply chaining this function after grouping the data frame by G and aggregating, we can efficiently calculate the product within each group. This step simplifies the process and makes the code more concise. In the output, you'll see the groups represented with their respective products. This clean output showcases the product values within each group for columns V and V2, making it easier to analyze the results. If you're looking for float values in the output, you can further refine the process by using the .cast PL_float64 method. This step ensures that the product values are displayed as floats, providing a more precise representation of the data. To sum it up, we've optimized the product calculation within groups in poolers using a simple and efficient method. I hope you found the solution helpful. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts. Until next time, happy coding!